Hello everyone, I want to share with you my recipe for Nigerian fish pepper soup. You will need fresh mackerel fish, and then of course you need some scotch bonnet peppers or habanero peppers, crayfish, that is ground crayfish, some pepper soup spice, salt, some onions, ginger powder, garlic powder, some stock cubes, and then you go ahead and cut up the onions and chop it up into fine little bits. And then you do the same to the scotch bonnet peppers, also called habanero peppers as well. Cut them really finely and chop them up. Now this is what is going to make the pepper or the pepper soup very, very spicy and pepperish. And that is why it's called pepper soup. And then you add the macrofish to the pot, and then you start adding the ingredients, like of course the African pepper soup seasoning or the powder. You want to apply this like 1 tablespoon or to your taste. And then some ginger powder. A teaspoon is okay for that. And then some garlic powder. And then 1 tablespoon of crayfish powder. And then you add the chopped onions and habanero peppers to the pot. Put it on the fire, stove, and then add water. Now you want to add this water up till it covers all the ingredients in the pot, because it's going to boil down to the pepper soup. And then some stock cubes, like 2 stock cubes is enough. I'm using chicken stock cubes here. And then you mix it all together. Cover it up and let it simmer for at least 20 minutes or until the fish is well cooked. Check it from time to time just to make sure it doesn't burn. And of course you stir so that all the ingredients can mix in together. You also check the fish to see if it's cooked. And that's it, it's ready. And there you have it, Nigerian fish pepper soup. Enjoy.